Hello, La Suerte Dance School. Michal and Anna. Welcome to another class. Today we are going to do actually maybe not like a full class, but we'll show you relatively long and easy bachata routine that we did on the beginners class. So, we run our classes on course basis. We go through multiple classes during the course. And then at some point, it would be nice to be able to combine these beginner's moves into something longer. So we want to show you how you can put moves together, how you can make relatively long routine without repeating basic step over and over, just with very, very simple elements, with elements that we teach on our regular classes, and majority of them we also presented to you on our YouTube channel. So this will be bachata. We are not posting long videos now as often as we normally do. Instead, we are making shorts. Some of you asked us to make short versions of the videos, and they keep appearing on our channel regularly. So again, if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the moment to do it. Like, subscribe, and if you want to support us in any way, you can also find links in the description. Let's get into the move. We'll do this routine twice, so you'll see it from both angles, but we'll do it relatively fluently. And I will try to speak when we do it, so you'll know what is what. 5, 6, the basic, nothing. 1, 2, 3, and the first part is basic turn. Left arm up we go, hop, 5, 6, a basketball turn. 1, 2, 3, left hand on top. 5, rotation for the girl. Hand on head, hop. Press 5, 6, hands on hip. Turn for a girl. Push 5, 6 guys to the left. Hop, half turn, tiki 5, 6 and 3. And left and right and left and half of the basic. 1, prepare for waves. 5, 6, open. Wave down, down, up, tiki 7. And 1, tap and go to the right, 6, 7, open, left arm, change positions, 5, 6 girls, rotate hips, open position, swap places, 5, 6, 7, Colombian step, 1, 2, 3, cheeky, 5, second loop, we finish, hop and pull, 5, 6, another half turn, 1, 2, rotate, we go open, cross to the left, hop, cross back, hop, tiki, 1, basic turn, to shadow position, go, hop, 1, 2, rotate, hop, 5, 6, 7, wave down and up, and 5, 6, finish, shadow, 1, 2, press, 5, and rotate, basic, 1, 2, 3, open position, swap places, 1, basic turn, push front and back, 1, 2, 3, square, step to the left, left and front we go, right and back we go, finish with left turn, face each other, wave with arms, wave, hop, feet, left together, right together, basic, tick, and 5, 6, 7, nice, pretty long. We'll do it one more time, so you can see it from the back camera. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3. If you need it even slower than that, you can slow down our video. We go, basic turn, we go, hop, basketball, turn, swap hands, 1, 2, left on top, turn for girl, hands on your head, 1, 2, 3, slowly, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, 3, left turns for both of us, close position, arms on shoulders, hop, half turn, 5, 6, 3, we go, 1, and 5, half, basic prep for waves, 5, 6, open, hop, 1, 2, 3, down, 5, 6, up, and 1, 2, 3, tap and go, hop, and open left arm, 1, 2, make space, walk, rotate hips for girls, 1, open, hop, tiki, Colombian step, hop we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, finish it, 5, 6, half turn again, regular this time, hop, open position, hop left cross, 1, 2, 3, hop, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Turn for girls, hop, go, shadow, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. A wave, left and right, go, ting, cheeky, finish, hop, go, and press, and finish with turn, 1, 2. Open position, open a bit on 7, pull, right, turn for girl, press, front and back, hop, front, cheeky, and back, cheeky, square, and hop, cheeky, and hop, cheeky, last turn, basic, hop, boom, and wave, boom, and feet, and left together, right together for girls, obviously opposite, and hop, tick, boom. Nice. Thinking about the beginners' moves that we do regularly, we didn't include any sidewalk in it. But yes, many different elements that we do on beginners classes in one long routine. We'll dance it with music. And we go with basic turn, hand up, and basketball, tune, tick, left on top, hop on head, and press, and turn, left together, half turn, 3, hop to wave, 1, prep, boom, boom, hop, cha, 1, tap and go, arm, press, hips, swap places, Colombian, finish, half turn, a regular arm grip, and we open straight away, cross, hop, hop, turn, shadow, 5, 6, 7, this part relatively fast, 5, 7, front, 1, hop, 5, 7, hop, 1, on 7 here I create a bit of space, then pull, and then turn, front and back, tick, tick, and square, hop, tick, last turn, and wave, hop, ting, hop, boom, boom. We'll do this one more time, everything from top, let's go, and basketball, hop, hop, stick, and stick, I'll stick a bit less, and 3, and wave, ting, ting, pa, ting, tap and go, hop and go, pa,
cuando me besas me dejas disfrutar lo más dulce que he probado y es que es tan lindo el amor con el sentimiento viví
1, cross, back, to shadow, let's go, hop, tick, ting, ting, boom, and down, up, finish, 1, hop, 5, 7, 1, ready on 7, open position, and pull, turn, open still, and front and back, and square we go, and last turn, and wave, hop, good! We managed to do it twice in one song. As you can see, the routine is very long. The song that we're playing is relatively long comparing to other bachata tracks. And we managed to do it only twice. Yeah? When we were doing it in the class, I don't think we had a song that we managed to do the same routine twice during the one track. Yeah? And again, we don't encourage you to memorize it and then dance at the party. That's not really the right way. Another aspect to consider is that when we are dancing in here, we are dancing towards you, so towards the camera. When normally if we are dancing socially, the rotations would be not as flat, yeah? So it would be not always dancing left, right, front, back. We would rotate a lot more. We would find different positions in dancing, yeah? So again, thing to consider. Always have in mind that when we make these videos, we try to make them easy to understand for you. It's not exactly how we would dance it at the party. This is very important because sometimes people comment like, oh, why are you dancing only left and right and front and back? This is not how we do it in real life. And of course, but if I start rotating the couple during the dance, you have no idea what's going on and you will be not able to copy the step. I hope this is clear. Okay. We'll try to keep posting the long videos as well. We have prepared some advanced salsa, so if you want to watch it, like, subscribe and press the bell. Like, subscribe and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. You can also support us here directly on YouTube. There is a subscribe button on the bottom under the player of this video. Again, I said that already before, but if you think that this was a bit too fast for you, you can press the button to slow down the video and watch it with 75% of speed or half of speed. We always post it 60 frames per second, so it should be very fluent even if you slow it down. And I feel like I talked too much, so this means it's time to finish. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.